Say hi to amoeba. You all know this is a unicellular organism. This single cell does all its activities right from respiration, digestion, excretion and everything else an organism needs to do to survive. That's one super busy cell. Now, compare it with us humans. We are multicellular. We have different cells for doing different functions. Each of our cells are specialists. Some only do respiration, some only digestion, and so on. Since each cell has only one responsibility, our cells are more efficient in doing that one function, and thus humans are said to be more efficient organisms than an amoeba. Again, these cells which specialize in only one function are grouped together so that we have clusters of cells in our bodies that perform different functions. These groups of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function are what we call tissues. Now, all multicellular organisms like plants and animals have tissues, but both of them don't have the same tissues. A plant, for instance, consists of many dead tissues as well. Why? Since plants are stationary or fixed, they need cells that can provide them support. And dead cells are as good as living cells in providing the required mechanical strength. And the best part is, dead cells require least maintenance. Why? Because they are dead. Thus, the trunk or bark of plants consists of many dead tissues. Animals or humans, on the other hand, are mobile and continuously move around. Thus, most of the tissues are living. Also, humans and animals normally grow in all directions, and thus all cells and tissues divide so that the organism can grow in size. Plants, on the other hand, grow in certain directions only. They don't expand uniformly. They have regions like roots and tips of shoots which expand throughout their lifetime. Thus, plant cells and tissues consist of both dividing and non-dividing parts. These tissues which divide are called meristematic tissues. Humans or animals are on a whole more complex than the most complex of plants. The tissues in both groups thus have different requirements and responsibilities. So friends, in this video we discussed about tissues. We also discussed how plant tissues are different from the tissues of animals and human beings. Till next time, happy learning!